In this video, I will show you how to tag someone in an Instagram post after post. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon. And then you just have to click on the post right here. And then click on these three dots in the upper corner. Now you just have to hit on edit. And as you can see, here's the button that says you can tag people. So all you have to do is to click on that and then click on this photo right here, let's say here. Or you can also change its location, like let's say right here. Now all you have to do is to search for a username. Let's say right here. Now in order for you to tag them, all you have to do is to click on this check button right here and then hit on check again. And now they are tagged on your post. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.